Elizabeth from Beauty Boss Academy, and today we're going to be unboxing our Lashing Starter Kit. All of the items in this kit have been hand-selected by Melody. She is our lash expert and the owner of Flux Lash Bar. They are her personal favorites, and we're confident that you'll love them too. Let's open it up. First, we've got the classic course manual. This manual has all of the written information from the course inside it with really beautiful visuals. All of the foundational skills for how to lash are written inside here for you to refer back to whenever you want. This little lash fan is to dry the lashes and to remove any fumes around the eyes that may cause irritation. We've got a container of disposable spoolie brushes, which are a must for brushing through the lashes and checking for stickies. This is a pack of 100 fiberless cleansing wands. These are a great alternative to cotton swabs because they don't have any loose fibers that can get caught or snag on the lashes. You can use these to remove the client's makeup and cleanse their lashes. Next, we have a bottle of foam lash shampoo. This is what you're going to use to clean your client's lashes before you apply extensions, and it's what your clients should be using daily at home to care for their lashes. A roll of paper tape. This really comes in handy to position the eyelids in a way that will help you reach the really hard to reach lashes in the inner and outer corners. A roll of 3M foam tape. This is great for making your own custom under eye patches. You can make them any size and shape you want, and because it's medical grade, it won't cause irritation to your client's skin like some under eye patches might. A bottle of lash primer. This is the final step before you apply lash extensions. This gets applied on your client's natural lashes to remove any excess oils, and it opens the cuticle of the natural lash so that you can get the best possible retention and attachment from your lash extensions. A bottle of DEBONDER. This is used to remove any dried adhesive on your tweezers or to carefully remove individual lash extensions. MICROTIPS. These are tools that are used to apply lash primer onto the natural lashes. Adhesive Stickers. These give you a surface to apply your lash adhesive, which you then dip your lash extensions into. Practice lashes. These are sets of eyelashes that you practice applying your lash extensions onto. Trays of lash extensions in different thicknesses, lengths, and curls. You'll learn how to combine these together to make a beautiful and natural looking set. Lash adhesive. This is the glue you use to apply your lash extensions. A pair of scissors to cut your paper tape and your under eye patches. A mirror. You use this to make sure your client's eyes are completely closed and to check your work from every angle. Application tweezers. These tweezers are curved and are meant for picking up and applying your lash extensions. Isolation tweezers. These tweezers are straight. You open the two tips of the tweezers on either side of a natural lash to isolate it. A bottle of adhesive remover. This is what you use to remove a full set of lash extensions. And that's everything. This kit is full of tools and materials you need to practice and master your hands-on lash techniques. You can bundle it with any of our Beauty Boss Academy lash courses and you'll be well on your way to becoming an incredible lash artist. When you receive yours, tag us in a photo and we would love to feature you on our social media. Happy lashing!